It is very natural that babies learn how to crawl before they learn how to walk. Most of us learn how to crawl when it comes to online marketing before we eventually walk. But sadly, some people spend their entire time crawling online all over the place and never get to walk. It is very important for you to note here that if you don't learn how to walk real fast online, then you will be left behind and you will never get to earn any revenue. In this short video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 essential tips that will get you to stop crawling online and start walking towards your superhero status. I seriously wish someone revealed these tips to me when I first started. The first tip is this: it's okay to be scared of doing new things. I don't care what your background is. There is going to be something about online marketing that frightens you, and that's okay. It is not the fear that is relevant. It is moving past your fear to achieve your goals. The thing I had to learn over and over is that as soon as you move past your fear and do the thing that worried you so much, you realize there was no reason to worry at all. It's like that big scary monster you saw in your closet as a kid. Turn on the lights and you realize that monster is just the clothes you didn't bother to hang up. It's nothing. Heck, it's less than nothing, but you won't get to know that until you do the things that make you nervous. Whether it's posting on forums, writing articles, putting up a web page, doing your first big launch, or it could simply be approaching people for joint ventures. Tip number 2 is always look for ways to push past your comfort zone. This second tip requires you to take the previous tip one notch up. Not only are you not going to allow fear to get into your way, you should actually thumb up your nose at fear by deliberately seeking out the things that aren't currently in your comfort zone and doing them. It is this kind of attitude that will break down every barrier standing between you and your success. Tip number 3 is perfection does not exist. At least, not in the current realm. Perhaps in the afterlife we'll find some kind of perfection, but not here and not now. So stop trying to achieve it. Let me explain this using this simple example. John and Pete just got started creating digital products to sell online. John planned and strategized and researched and planned some more. Finally, he got started and he made sure to get every sentence just right, every period in the right place, every video made without a stutter or misstep. John is still working on his product. Pete, on the other hand, made mistakes in grammar, mistakes in spelling, mistakes on his videos, and you know what? He released not just 1 but 3 different products, and he's doing well. John has not made a dime yet, as he's spending all his time worrying about little things, and probably by the time he releases his product, it will be well out of date and unusable. I'm not saying don't do a good job. I'm saying do the best you can and then finish it, whatever it is. If you are always working to make it perfect, you will never finish and you will never reap the rewards. It's like trying to create the perfect marriage proposal in the perfect setting at the perfect time with the perfect words. You are going to die old and alone. Settle for real good and you will not only achieve a whole lot more, you will also be a lot less stressed. Tip number 4 is celebrate your successes. Even if it is a minor success, take time to celebrate it in your own way. Whether that's doing a little dance or hugging your spouse, treat yourself. You deserve it. Plus, it gives you positive reinforcement so that you can achieve more and more success. And the last tip I have for you today is this. Take a break. If you are working 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, you are going to burn out and get tired of the whole thing. Take it from someone who knows. Take time to rest, enjoy life, and recharge your batteries. So, that will be it for this video. If you implement these simple tips in your situation, you will discover that your crawling days online will quickly come to an end and you will be on and about walking and even running with plenty of success. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.